Morning, all teachers, all students, all lecturers, all tutors, all parents working with your neurodiverse learner or child. In this broadcast, I cannot stress the value and the benefits and the efficiency of visual teaching to your neurodiverse student. One must remember that from the get-go, the neurodiverse brain and the nervous system is already riddled with anxiety. From the get-go, the brain and the nervous system is putting up one huge fight to cancel out all and any stimuli that can result in overloading and then shutdowns and meltdowns and not engaging at all. By using visual strategies for teaching is a valuable tool. We are tapping in to that short-term memory by providing a safe space, by providing clarity, clear instructions that leads your ADHD, ADD or ASD student to feel less anxiety, and then the outcome will be a better engagement, a better retaining of information, comprehension, and then eventually working independently rather than verbal or written instructions. It works just as well for your neurotypical learners who struggle to focus or pay attention. Break down your lessons visually into manual and manageable, user-friendly pieces and time frames. And you will see the outcome will be much better than it was previously. Visual cues, visual teaching, a valuable tool for your neurodivergent learner.